Holy crap, I'm getting annoyed. It's 5th try. Sound check. Getting off. Getting bored. I'm about to smack this computer. I'm about to smack it. Right across the screen. This is a 2x2. That's only because of the sound check. I'm getting sick of it not working. This is just a rant about the sound and how much I hate it. It's never happened before. And now. Right. It's never happened before. It's just kind of getting annoying. Really getting annoying. See, I know it's on a crazy one. Well, now that I finally got to it. But I'm not even gonna. No, you don't even know. I don't even know. I'm not even gonna explain. I'm just gonna tell you what you're gonna see, what you have seen, or what you're seeing. For 19 by 19. Whenever you do see it, you'll know because it has a bunch of squares in it. But it took me 3 days to do it. And I just kind of messed it up with using squares so I can fix it. All I'm going to say in this one, I don't even know if you saw this thing or not. I don't even know if it's on right spot, but I just know that I did that. If you're seeing it now, you're seeing it before time, or you're going to see it later. That's what I did, 19 by 19, 3 days. I don't care, this is just a sound check. I'm just getting really freaking annoyed by it. Peace.